What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254, and I'm bringing you for an update on a new video, and I'm gonna show you how I fixed the trunk. Not the trunk. How I fixed my fuel release door.
I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic. I got the free gas.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254. We got a little bit of vittles going on here, man. In the meantime, while that's doing that, you know what I'm saying, checking out my boy Chris Womack. Y'all make sure y'all check his YouTube channel out. Like MC the shits and then say I'm always working. You know what I'm saying? Please believe that. Go out here. Where is I need to find the window cleaner. Window cleaner so I can get this review mirror thing set. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on today. Let it sit overnight, then let it sit tomorrow while I'm at work, and then get some window cleaner, and then do that. Then by that time it should be strong enough to hold up whatever. We might just let it sit for 24 hours. How's it going? All right. Yeah, they are everywhere. Let me see. I know Boss, he was asking what I was using for a mount. This is a mount my wife got. No particular brand or nothing. There's a little magnet thing that go on the back of my case. And I just, boom, stick it up there. Like that. So, get some of this sprayed on here, man, and up. It's dripping on the interior, but Lord knows it needs it. The interior needs some life. We need to hit this whole thing with some Armor All. Yeah, I heard that dog. I thought I was tripping. I'm like, the fuck? Goddamn Cujo. Goddamn Cujo in my backyard shit. Yeah, man, but boom. That's all you gotta do. Clean that shit off there. Spray some shit on there. Scrape it off with a razor blade. The end. Make sure you get all of that up there. It's crazy doing YouTube while I'm watching YouTube. What Loco said, video coming soon. He has no idea. But yeah, man, you just want to get all that stuff off of there so that you can have a good clean surface or whatnot for where you mount your rear view. Like I said, I know y'all been waiting on that. Y'all been waiting on the Chevy stuff, man, and I'm working on it. The dog about to tear his ass up. Big ass dog. Too big to be playing with these fucking dogs. Shout out to all the dog lovers. It ain't me, nigga. It ain't me. That's not for me. This actually has a little cleaner towelette activator. Y'all know me, I don't read the directions till after I done started this shit. Remove the mount button from the mirror bracket, which make note which side faces upwards. Alright, so this side. And of course, it's a damn Torx bit. Of course, it's a Torx bit. So, we'll go over here. I actually had a couple of them out. Maybe. Yeah, we got it. First try. First try. Let me grab a little rag so I can wipe out the windshield. See what we got, what we got. That's why some shit be taking me so long. I don't know where shit is yet. But I'm working on it. God's not through with me yet. Let's see what we got here. I'm just looking for a towel, man. Like, why is it so hard? Boom, found one. Yeah, man. Very minimal stuff to do with the review. The review is rolling like new money. As long as it continues to roll, that's all we needed to do. That's all we needed to do. See what we got here. Yeah. So, let me finish reading the directions. On the outside of the windshield, circle with a crayon to identify the old location. I ain't do that. I got a good idea where it was. You know me, man, wing it. Thoroughly scrape windshield glass and button to remove all the old adhesive. It's gone. Open cleaner activator towelette by pulling both sides of the packet. Fold packet back to use. Towelette to remain attached to packet. On the inside of the windshield, clean marked area and prime with cleaner activator. Also clean and prime the button with equal attention. Allow to dry for 1 minute. Do not touch. Open the adhesive pouch. At the top, apply 1 drop of adhesive to the center of the button only. Apply the button to the windshield, ensuring that the correct side is facing up, and hold firmly in place for 1 minute. Allowed to set for 30 minutes. But we're gonna let that bitch sit overnight. So in the morning, we should be good. Should be good to put it on there. So I believe that's let's see. Pull that out. There we go. Make sure that we got the right side and stuff. So we're gonna place that down like it was, and it's actually easy to tell because there's a little indentation. We're gonna take our cleaner activator thingamajigabobber, peel here. Boom. Okay. Take that. We're gonna wipe up here. We're gonna let that clean and dry and do its thing. Like I said, you gotta do the same thing for the button. You know what I'm saying? Same shit for the button. Like LS, you don't never do no how-tos. That's the only shit I know how to do is follow directions. Sometimes. Alright. So it says, let this shit dry for 1 minute. So, what we gonna do is we gonna go check on our fucking food. and make sure we don't burn shit down. While we're doing that, we'll be letting that dry and we'll be good to go.
Garage door.
Yep. We good. We ready? Do what you want when you pop it. There you go. Yeah. Good old taco meat. It ain't Tuesday, but we eat tacos tonight. Now some of them come burn to the bottom. It'll be alright. Majority of it is good. Get that good crispy. That good crispy taste. Since we still got about 30 seconds, let's get us a cup of hurricane.
I said, that's funny, ain't got nothing to do with me. Let it live over there. Then you said in 2 words, you don't want to hear
If anybody knows anything about them headliners, man, let me know. It's not that big of a deal, but eventually it will be. And I just kind of want to get this shit up and out the way. MC, Logo, Zoe, JP, Boss, Chris, anybody that know anything about getting it, that headliner back up there where it's supposed to be, let me know. Just a little bit. We gotta work on it. That's it.
Garage door.
I'm like, dang, LS, you ain't even edit the video. No, because this is raw and uncut. All right. Back in the whippity whip whip. Set y'all right there. Think that'll work. Damn. Damn, bitch, stay still. Up. You know what? I ain't got no time for this shit. Alright, now everything gonna be alright. See? All you needed was a hurricane. All you needed. Alright, so got the towelette and the cleaner up there. It's been about a minute, probably longer than a minute. It's all good though. You get your rear view mirror adhesive. And read this shit one more time. Apply 1 drop of adhesive to the center of the button only. And of course you want to do that so it gets sprayed and shit. So, but y'all know that shit, man. Y'all are smart individuals. A lot of y'all smarter than me, man. I'm just out here putting it in their face. Oh shit. That's a big ass drop. But we're gonna roll with it. See if y'all can see that shit. Alright, we're gonna put that big bot right there. And it's crazy because it's like I believe the directions say they want you to hold the bitch or hold it for a minute. Let it dry for 30. What about my feelings though? Like, now I just gotta be like this for 30 minutes? 1 minute. Alright, do it with no hands. So, whew, it's warm out here in Texas. So, as you can see, people, the button is up. The button is up and we're good. So, I'm finna go back to watching Chris, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one. We'll put it up there. And, I don't think I need to show y'all a video of me putting the rearview mirror on. I think y'all know how that shit goes. So I'm gonna let this bitch dry and y'all have a good night. It's your boy LSJ Ride 254. Remember, go check out my boy Chris Womack channel. Gone. Oh. My fault. Remember, identify your weakness, make it your strength. Oh yeah. Link for the shirts is in the description box below. Go to the store, copy a shirt. You know what I'm saying? Be like me. You know what I'm saying? Also, I got these This Is America shirts. You know what I'm saying? Well, I don't got them. My old lady got them. So, if y'all want a This Is America shirt, I'll put the link down there for them too. So, I was going to kind of just keep it to myself, but I won't be stingy. I got to let wifey get her paper too. Alright, y'all. Identify your weaknesses, make your strength.